Good morning, guys! Mr. Matley is in the kitchen. Yan. Wala pa kaming ligo. Ito, hindi pa ito naliligo, guys. Simula na pinick up namin siya from the breeder. Yes! Every 3 weeks lang naliguin sila. Especially puppy pa to. So, next week, dapat pala maligo ka na. Nangangamoy na itong aso namin. Yung puppy namin na makulit. Makulit. Gusto niya ng blueberries. Kaya siya nandito sa kitchen. Ayan. Go eat your breakfast. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Mag-coffee lang muna ako, guys. Just coffee. Dahil kailangan ko. Maaga kami gumising ngayon, guys. 6 o'clock. 5 o'clock pa lang ng umaga. Ginising na ako ni Matley. Nag-wine na siya. So, gumising ako kasi usually nag-potty siya mga ganong oras. So, by 7, dilat na dilat ng aking mga mata. Ayun. Ayun, bumalik siya dito. Hi! Hi, Mr. Matley! Hey! Naboboard siya. Mabilis siya mag-board, guys. Gusto niya maglaro lang ng laro or lumalabas ng bahay. Kaso, hindi ko pa siya pwedeng dalhin sa labas kasi basa. Umulan kagabi. So, mamaya na pag lumabas ng araw, kasi wala pang araw, medyo madilim pa sa labas. So, pag lumabas ng araw, tapos natutuyo na ang grass sa labas, yun, pwede na kaming lumabas. But for now, hindi muna, kasi madudumihan siya masyado. Ayan, tapos kumakain pa naman siya ng grass. Ayan. Anong tinitingnan mo dyan sa oven? Huh, baby? What? You want more blueberries? No, that's it for now. Mamaya na naman. Later. Later. Ayan. Mommy? You play with mommy? Where's the toy? Where's the porcupines? Look. Look. Wow. 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 Who is that? Hi, Mr. Matley. Hi, Mr. Matley. Hi. Okay, go play. Let mommy press it. Hinihintay ko lang si Paul, guys, na bumalik dito sa bahay. Nagpa-oil change siya ng sasakyan niya. On the way na daw siya. So, antayin ko lang siya. Tapos, maligo ako. Kailangan ko maligo. Alas 9 na. Hindi pa ako nakapagbihis. Itong pantulog pa ang suot ko. Hindi ko kasi ito maiwan, guys. Kasi umiiyak. Pag tingin niya, wala siyang kasama. Umiiyak siya. Lagi niya gusto lahat ng attention nasa kanya. Ayan siya. Very needy ang papi namin. Tapos sunod ng sunod sa akin. Kagat ng aking paa, ng aking medyas, ng aking pants. Yeah. Kagat ng aking kamay. Oh! Ayan, humihikab pa. Humihikab pa. Natulog ka na kanina. 8 in the morning. Mabilis siya maboard. Gusto niya laging may activities. Yan. Hindi naman ako pwede laging makipaglaro sa'yo. You need to cook. Clean the house. Ay. Susuklayin ko siya, guys. Susuklayin ko kasi mamaya pagdating ng daddy niya, guguluhin na naman ang buhok niya. Mabilis magulo. ang buhok ng aming baby. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Nagtumbling-tumbling na siya. Nagtumbling-tumbling na siya. Ayaw niya nito. Minsan lang niya nilalaro si Mr. Clifford. This is Mr. Clifford. Ito guys. Red dog po si Mr. Clifford. Minsan lang siya nilalaro ni Matley. Pag hinawakan ko si Mr. Clifford, ayun, nilalaro niya. Pero pag nakalagay lang dyan, dead man niya yan. Yan. Tapos ito yung paborito niya kagatin. Yung tenga ni Mr. Clifford. Dahil parang may plastic yata sa loob. Yan. Oh, you like playing Mr. Clifford's ears. Look at Mr. Clifford's big ears. Hey, Matley, I want to play with you. Yay. Yay. Wow. You like Mr. Clifford's ears. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Matley, Mr. Matley, Mr. Matley. Dun, 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 dun. Mabilis siya magsasawa sa mga toys niya. Gusto niya palaging paiba-iba. Pero ito, parang gusto niya to. Lagi niya itong kinakagat-kagat. Yan! Si Mr. Purdy. Tapos ito, gusto din niya to kasi squeezy. So funny. Ay! You miss Daddy. You miss Daddy. Oh my God, the scratching. Yes, scratching. Yes. Mommy doesn't have food for you. Daddy doesn't have food for you either. Give him food, Daddy. Give him food.
Pretty soon. It's 1 o'clock. I'm going to divide it up.
What? His food? So he won't eat all of his. That's okay. He's very active. He was playing. He was zooming. He did his zoomies a while ago.
Come on, boy.
And then I keep stopping him. Yeah, play with Daddy. Go play with Daddy. You wanna play a while ago. You wanna. You keep running and running and jumping. But you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You get a lot of treats from Mommy.
How many did you give him?
3. Yeah.
Such a good
His appetite is getting bigger. Yay! He's such a good boy.
Such a good boy.
He's so happy to see his daddy.
You know what? Let's put this away.
No, don't put this away. This is Mr. Clifford.
Yeah.
Why?
I was reading about sometimes when the dogs feel there's competition, they'll eat their food fast because they're afraid.
No, before we didn't do that to him before.
Well, we didn't
we
have
used
that
this
dog
to
before.
stop. We used this to stop him from biting stuff.
Put it away. Put it, hide it.
Nah, I like Mr. Clifford. Mr. Clifford is a good boy.
Maybe
Yes.
he's thinking it's going to have his food.
No, the treats, just the treats, not his food. Yeah, look at that. I like Mr. Clifford. What is he trying to bite? Daddy's pants. Oh my God, such a good boy. You're a good boy, Motley. Yay. Yay, it's lunchtime, Motley. Give him his food, honey. I'm gonna get my the food that you bought for me. Thank you, honey. Yummy. Kararating lang ng aking asawa, guys, galing sa gym. And then, binigyan ako ng lunch kasi alas 12 na. Tapos, meron siyang may paganito. Kung puti na naman. Pero this time, I slush daw to. So, I try ko. And it's chocolate. Is this chocolate flavor, honey? There's no boba in here.
Yeah, it's a chocolate slush.
I want the boba one, but let's try this one. Kasi first time ko to. I never had this before. Oh, I still like my boba, honey. This is more of an ice and chocolate and sweet.
Squirt bottle. Did you give me a squirt bottle?
No. Honey, why is the light on?
I accidentally hit it. Where at?
Up there, above your head. This is the food because I asked him to buy me a steak. Naminis ko ang steak from Outback dito sa restaurant na to.
I don't know. I wanted to get the poop. Did you look at the poop?
Yeah, it was hard.
It was hard?
Honey, tomorrow maybe we can go hide in the room tomorrow and then either you or me has to clean this area here outside. Yeah. It has to be clean before New Year. I want them to be clean. I started cleaning the room. I vacuumed this morning and you know that steps, the ladder inside the closet? Can you fold it? I cannot fold it. And maybe place it in my restroom. Okay.
How was the poop though?
Poop was okay.
Solid?
It was solid.
Was it any green in it?
No. Same color. Brown.
There
was a green?
A little bit, yeah. As long as you don't see the green in there.
Probably the green one is from blueberries. Blueberry could probably soften their feces. Alright guys. So this food came with butter. Kasi masarap yung bread nila. So I like this butter too. And then ito masarap to guys. Tikman natin. It's super soft. Kaya lang pag medyo matagal na to, hindi kinain, tumitigas siya. Pero pag fresh, super soft and super sarap niya. Plus with butter. Oh. Gusto ko to. Hindi ako sanay sa drink na to, na slush. Para lang siyang, anong tawag sa atin?
What was the outside?
Outside was good.
What time did you go out?
It was 11 something. We didn't stay long because he was scared of something. Oh, the airplane. There was like an airplane.
Hello!
Nilabas ko kasi si Matt kanina. Tapos ito yung food. Beef is well done. Kaya medyo itim siya tingnan. Pero yan ang gusto kong sa pagkaluto. Ayoko medyo mapula yung gitna niya. Mas bale ng medyo ganyan siya. Pagod. Pagod ba? Tapos gulay, steamed na mixed vegetables, zucchini, carrots, ganyan. Tapos ito yung fried rice. Seasoned rice actually. Masarap tong seasoned rice nila. Yes. Ayan ang lunch. At ayan ang aking asawa from the gym. Matli is looking us. Wawa. Our boy. Nagsasalos din siya minsan. Gusto niya lahat ng atensyon. Ayun, nakatingin sa akin. Gusto niya lahat ng atensyon namin nasa kanya. Oh, you're so sweet! Come, come. Matli, you're so sweet. Tingnan niyo si Matli. I wiped his belly, honey, because it smells like pee. I was like, where's the pee? It's Matli. Yeah. Go to daddy. Go to daddy. Go to daddy. You're such a good boy. Lunchtime na rin para sa atin. Ayan. Ang laki ng bag na to. Daddy is getting ready. I'm gonna place this here, honey, because he will bite this bag. He will try this.
Dog's hungry.
He's hungry. It's time to feed, Matli. Time to feed. He's wagging his tail. Oh my god. Just give him his food, Daddy. It's lunchtime. Got his food, Daddy. Yay, Matli's food. Yummy. Look. Daddy's getting your food. A new bag of food. A quarter cup. Wow. To the drawer. Oh, that's so small, Daddy. put a little more, maybe half. Half for
not
now.
half, no, because I want him to be able to space it out. That's good.
How much? That's not a lot there.
I'm gonna help me. Come
All
on,
right.
Motley.
Lunchtime, Motley. Go to daddy. Mr. Clifford is gonna eat your food.
No, don't say that.
You don't understand what I'm saying. Masarap naman siya, matamis. Lasang chocolate. Kaya lang, mas gusto ko yung may boba. Mas masarap yung may boba. Saka may coffee kasi yun. Nakakadilat mata. Mag-aalaw na guys, sinantok ako. Parang gusto ko mamaya na kumain ng lunch. Mag-nap muna ako. Ang alaga ko, ang aga nagising. Alas 4:30 yata siya gumising. Tahol ng tahol. Nagigising talaga siya. Gusto niya umakyat sa bed.
You're a very good boy.
You're a very good boy. Ganyan yan niya pinakain si Motley kasi nilagok niya yung buong isang 1/4 na cup ng pagkain niya kahapon. Yeah.
Take your time, Motley.
He is so hungry, maybe, Daddy. He was running around the house. You're such a good boy, Motley. Yeah, you're such a good boy. Itong box na to, puro laruan to ni Motley. Honey, when's the thing coming? The big box.
It'll be coming.
I think we should take Motley out today for a drive. So I'll get used to it, honey, because on his vet appointment is... Oh, I have an appointment, honey, for my teeth cleaning on January 11th. 8 a.m. in the morning.
You're going this week.
Yeah, that's for the teeth, for the root canal.
Oh.
The other one was scheduled before.
You can make that one at night.
I'll move that one. Okay, I'll call them. Oh, okay. When I go there, I'll just tell them to reschedule. When do you want me to reschedule it? At night, like 5?
5:30 on.
5:30?
Anytime 5:30 on.
Okay.
Or on Saturday.
Or on Saturday? Are they open Saturdays, honey?
Yes.
Tatahiin ko ang laruan ni Motley na Mr. Duck. Gusto niya to. Ayan siya na bukas. Ayan. So, tatahiin ko. Meron akong karayom. At saka, ato. Okay. Come, Motley, come. You're gonna kiss the camera. Come, Motley. Motley.
I don't want him near the needle.
Huh?
I don't want him near the needle. He's going to knock the camera over, and I wouldn't have done that.
Call him here.
He's gonna knock your camera down.
God,
Maybe
I
get
hear
him. Why'd you put the camera there?
Motley, what's that? Nice.
Modern touches like bubble tents allow visitors to experience luxury, offering panoramic views of the starry night sky from the comfort of their beds.
Look, honey, this part right here, he ate this.
And embracing the
There's a
harmony
cotton here. I have to pull it out from his mouth.
create a truly magical experience.
Make sure that's really tight then.
Yeah.
Unless you just want to return that one.
No, I like this one. Why do you like the other one?
Because it's not ripped, that's why.
But that one came vacuum sealed. When I open the plastic bag, it kind of like expands, but it's still slouchy.
No,
It's not firm like this.
just make sure that the sew is really strong.
It should be strong. This is the part where he liked to bite. Motley, come over here.
No, wait till you're done. I don't like them around the needle.
You'll encounter artisan
I'm not
craft
gonna let
shops,
him jump up there.
family-run
You play with
sake
him.
breweries, and traditional tea houses that give you a sense of stepping into historic Japan. You encounter rare ancient trees, and if you are
La
lucky,
la
you'll
la.
get spotted rare butterflies and
La
flowers,
la la
which
la.
are symbolic of this mountain.
What's that, Motley?
Welcoming the new year
May kuto si Motley.
is a special
Motley,
and meaningful.
do you have something on your hair?
The mountain becomes a sacred destination.
Come. You got some stuff over here. Yeah? What is it, Daddy? Oh, Motley has more stuff today. Yep. We got stuff for Motley. Oh boy, honey. Can't open that. He wants to go out. My God, Motley, no. Cute. May package siya. Nothing. Oh wow, dami. Wow, there's a lot. Look at that, guys. Johnny ordered it from Motley. More toys. Oh my God, that looks funny. What is this, honey? The fox.
Liqueur.
Ligor? Look at that, guys. Oh, this is a look, Motley. More toys. Let's get another toys. Oh, this is so cute. The giraffe. Wow. What is this? Panda? What is? Oh my God, honey. More toys and dummy. My God, honey. When did you order this? Spider-Man! Yay, Motley. And then wipes para kay Motley kasi naubusan na siya. I think check if there's some left there, honey. It's such a big box.
There's what? Yeah, there is some left. I'm gonna get rid of the box here.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to give it to you. Okay. Let's open Motley. Got a lot of stuff. My God, we need a bigger box, Daddy. Oh my God. Pinapagsawaan lang din niya to. Nagsasawa na siya sa mga toys niya ngayon eh. Ang daddy niya, bili ng mga toys. Gusto niya lumabas. Honey, maybe you take him for a walk or outside?
Yeah, I'll take him out.
Take him out. God, Tommy! So when's the other stuff coming? Did you order the stuff last night?
No, I have to place it today.
Oh God, you need to get them, honey. Those are the important ones. We don't need more toys. Oh my goodness. Ang dami na naman kalat nito sa bahay. Ang cute nito. Ito yung gusto ko, maliit. Oh, tumutunog. Parang lahat sila tumutunog. Oh, wow! Wow! Parang sponsored ng Chewy itong video natin. Ito Spider-Man. Cute. This is so big for him. Oh, okay. Mahilig kasi siyang kumagat sa mga ganito, guys. Parang rope. Ayan. Favorite niya yung kagatin. But what I really want for him is an interactive toys, honey. Interactive toys. That's what I need. Because that's distract him.
It's coming, baby.
You ordered some?
On Amazon.
Okay.
You put that in here.
What's that? I'm just gonna wipe his toys.
Did you cut the tags?
Yes.
You sure you got them off the
Yeah.
plastic pieces?
Mm-hmm. There's no plastic pieces like the small ones. Take him out. Take him out, honey. What's a lot?
Did you wash them?
No.
Yeah, did you wipe them down?
No. I just cut off the
Yeah,
tabs.
just let's leave them all there.
Okay, you wanna clean them?
Yeah, I will wipe them later.
Okay, wipe them later. What are you
I want
waiting
you to
for?
hold him and bring him in over there, and then I'm gonna go to the car and I'm gonna come back and walk him.
Okay, good job. Motley, come. Motley, come. Yay! Motley, come! Si Motley, pinalabas namin, guys, kasi kailangan niya ng exercise. Ayan, what? What happened? Yay! We'll go play with Daddy! Gusto niya maglaro dyan, kaya lang, kinain niya yung mga grass dyan. Tapos minsan kahapon may nakita kaming patay na lizard, maliit na lizard. Sinisinghot-singhot niya. Nakakatakot si Motley, guys. Ayan. Tapos pag may sasakyan na dumaan, tumatakbo siya. Yun. Natakot siya sa ingay ng eroplano. 911. Palaging may 911. Itong part na to, guys, kailangan ko pala anuhin yan. Oh. Bunutin itong mga damo. Tapos i-trim ko itong mga plants ko dito. Yung plants ko naman dyan, ayan, tumutubo na yung ibang ano, yung buds. Kasi yung lumang flower, namatay siya. And then, may bago na naman patubo. Ayun, maglaglagan din yan ang mga bulaklak na yan. Kasi 2 weeks na yan eh. So, that's it. The dead lizard was there, somewhere over there. Don't put him there. Yep. This is like a pile of garbage. Look, Matley, come. Matley.
Matley, look at your toy.
Hello, this is Matley and Matley's toy collection. What are we gonna sell them, Matley? Where are we gonna send them?
Toys.
Dinner time! Kararating lang ito, guys. Galing sa gym at grocery market. Binila niya ako ng avocados. Pasensya na sa ingay sa background ko. Naglalaro sila ni Mati. Drinks niya. Energy drinks ito. Hydration drink.
Wow.
Cook, keto bars. 2 bars. Cheese. This is our favorite cheese. Asiago na aged na matanda na siya, guys. Hanggang, I'm not sure kung gaano na siya katanda. Pero, matigas siya. Saka, solid yung color niya. Hindi siya light. Dark color siya. Dark yellow. And then, more drinks for him. Oh my God. I didn't know he drinks Monster. This is an energy drink. And then, his favorite. This is the pepperoni turkey. Ayan. Pinapapak niya yan. Paborito niya yan. Tapos, binighan din niya ako ng dinner. So, alas 8 na ng gabi. Hindi ako nagluto. So, binighan na lang niya ako ng paborito kong isda. Whole fish. Ayan. Wow! Ang laki! Ayan siya. Whole snapper. With lime. Tapos, what did he do, honey? So walang kanin. Kasi may kanin ako. Ito ay fried yoka. Na lagi yung nakikita sa mga Spanish food na kinakain ko, guys. Tapos, black beans. So, ayan lang ang dinner. At ako'y kakain na kasi ang aking asawa ang nagbabantay kay Matley. So, pagkatapos ko, siya naman nakakain. So, dinner po.